Warning, warning, warning.
Right now you see me grabbing all the products I'm going to use. Right now you just see me spraying the water on my hair just to get the perimeter ready for me. I'm just grabbing the leave-in and rubbing it in on my hair. Right now you just see me rubbing the leave-in conditioner and also getting a brush ready to brush my hair on the side and some oil as well. So it's just a simple 2-cup tutorial, ain't nothing too deep. Make sure y'all just keep watching for my final look. Yeah. Add me on social media outlets, you know what I'm saying, to keep up with your girl and me and my fam. So just hit me up. RYG gang. Yeah. So right now you just see me split my hair in the middle. Sometimes I part it, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I use my fingers to guide me, and then sometimes I part it with a comb. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Boy, don't do this at home. Right now you see me adding water and oil to my hair.
Ain't no place I'd rather be than with you.
Right now you seeing me brush it with my little brush. I use the softer side of my brush. And I'm getting ready to put it in a ponytail as I grab my ponytail holder. Whoop. And then I turn it again. And loop. There it go. It's going in there. Go ahead, girl. Put it in there. Okay, girl. You got it. As you can see, I'm just doing the same methods. I put my leave-in, then I put my oil, then I put my Eco Styler gel. So that's all I'm doing, is doing the same thing on both sides. And just when I do my ponytail holder, I do it around 2 times because my hair is really thick and it just can't go in there just one time. It needs 2 times.
Ain't no place I'd rather be than with you. Ain't no place I'd rather be than
Warning.
Right now you just seeing me just puff out my puff balls to make them look, you know, a little more bigger than what they really are. And I'm just touching up those baby hairs to make it look cute or whatever. Swooping up some edges, you know what I'm saying, to make them look on fleek or whatever. So that's all I'm doing with my old toothbrush and all that. I ain't got that edge brush. I got that old toothbrush, you know what I'm saying. So just keep watching, y'all. I'm just putting a little bit of Eco Styler gel on those little things on the side to make it curly. So that's all I did, put a little bit of Eco Styler gel, that's all. Right now I'm just buffing it out and I'm putting my headband on just to have it to have a little bit more style. So right now I'm just taking the rest of my ponytail out from under the headband and just putting the headband on just so I can look a little cute or whatever. That's all I'm gonna do is make it a little cute and stuff. So that's the end of my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how y'all feel about it. How y'all like this look on me? Is my head too big or is it too small? Just tell me how you feel about this video. Thank y'all for watching and deuces.